Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at Honeybook, Studio Ninja and Pixieset to see which one is the best for business management. Now I have here a list with the pros and cons for each one of them, so we're going to take a look at it. So the pros for Honeybook are that it's clean and has a modern interface. Invoicing, contract scheduling and automation, great mobile app and ideal for US-based creatives. The cons, less flexible and customizable than some tools, and some automation limitation. Honeybook is the best for creatives wanting a polished all-in-one CRM with simple setup. Then we have Studio Ninja, which is the best for photographers. So designed specifically for photographers, easy booking plus workflow automation, excellent customer support, and global availability. It's great outside the US. The cons, less suited for non-photography businesses, interface isn't as modern as Honeybook. And as I said earlier, this is best for photographers looking for an affordable, purpose-built CRM. Then we have Pixieset. The pros, beautiful image galleries and digital delivery, online store for selling prints, downloads, optional studio manager add-on, excellent for client photo presentation. The cons, CRM tools are basic compared to Honeybook and Studio Ninja, and it's best suited only for photographers. So basically, these are the pros and cons for each one of them. Now, depending on your type of business, you can pick one. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.